gonna make a house for this doll, and I'm gonna keep on breaking it to make different houses. And I'm really happy to see you guys again. Hi, once again. Now let's stop building. She's gonna be right here watching. Now let's start with this, with these some squares. There's a bee on it. This one's square. This will be for the window. A number 3. And outer space planets. Another number. Do you know what it is? It is 9. A cheetah. A woman. A ant. A clock. And a sun. Now let's start building. I'm gonna put this block here. This block here. We have to make sure that they're standing up because we don't want it to fall, right? Okay. Well, I'm gonna start this one. Now, the zebra's at the other side. Cool. Right? This will just be for a window. I need a door. I'm gonna get this one. This is a kind of triangle. It's a kind of triangle. This is how a pizza slice looks like. Let's put it there. That's the pieces. Let's put that on top. Oh, I'm gonna get the clear one. The clear one is gonna be for the next level to go down. Put that one there. Now I'm getting cherries. Cherries, I didn't eat them very long. They're my favorite. Ooh, a number 7. Where's the 7 away? This is the map what the news people use. And this is a lion. And now we are gonna do some safety bars. Because this is gonna be the balcony, maybe, I don't know yet. Ooh, the octopus. Let me see. Oh, that happens sometimes. It happens sometimes. Okay, let's fix this. Put that one there and that. Now we can put back the flamingo. Still hold it. Now let's get the hands like a high five. Ladies, it's time to start. Strawberries, my other favorite foods. Sorry about that. Ooh, snowflake. Now it's spring. Do you know why I skipped this one? Because the door is here. And if we put it there, it's gonna be more easier. Oh, that was not. Sorry about that. Now let's put this one here. This safety ball. Ooh, the thing I was placing it to is magnet. I'm gonna put the elephant. I'm gonna put the koala. And I'm gonna put this and this koala. Yes. And now we are gonna use this. I don't really know if we get to use it, but we can still use it. Put this one there, this one here. I just need to wait till the magic something different. Oh no, what we have to do is over again. Do it like this. We put this one down. So we put these two like this. Whoop. And then so these are one of it. This is one of our collections. We're gonna sweep this like that. This is the flag spot. I know this is a small thing, but how do you like it? I love it. It's good. Squeezing the house. Okay, we have to build another house. Will you destroy it? Because I have to make another house. This house is too small. Is destroying? We have to do it. But let me make it bigger. bigger one. We have to make it like a real house. Let's put this one here. Now, as you know, you can see this one from the other side. Like the one and stuff. It's cool. I like it. And maybe one day, I'm going to say these out loud. And we can do a video, but I don't know yet. What me saying all the animals and spelling it. I'm gonna make a video like that next time. Now let's make one more piece of longer. Let's get this one, the koala one, remember it? Now we just have to I get this one and then this. Okay. About it. Let's put this one here. We're gonna need these soon. I'm gonna actually use the orange this time. This one. Now let's get the penguin. Now it's time for the orange. Now that we did this, we have to fill the inside and put some stuff. And this will be for the toilet. These two guys. I don't know what those two. This is the toilet. I'm making the toilet part, you guys. Now, oops. How did that get there? That there. And then we have to fold this part up. Now we need a door. We need not a clear door. It can be clear. Let's unsecure. Yeah, unsecure. Now this is the toilet stuff. Let's put it on there. Oh, there. You can see the toilet. And it's gonna have to be open for the door. We are just doing the finishing touches, you guys. It's cool. And let me explain you how it made it. First, it like all melted. Then they put the liquids together, the liquids. No, then they put the magnets in, and then they fill in these little pots. Then they make these into certain stuff, and then they make these ones in the molds. These were the kind of mold. Let's put this on there. And then this one goes there. And this is also the shower. When you close the toilet, it turns into a shower. Easy. And now the dog is happy. She can jump on top here and then she can jump into the house. It's almost done. She's just taking a toilet break. She's just walking around and jumping out because the house is not finished as yet. And needs one more touch. And in the back, see this part? This is her bedroom. This is her bedroom. This is quite cute. And now the dog will explore it. Open the door. Now she walks and then she closes the door and she sits in the house. It's so big she can sit in it. And now she's going to use the bathroom. She opens up the door. I get to sit. This is and then she gets out and closes it up because now she's in the shower. Now she's gonna step it in and close it up. Now she's standing. And then she's done, and then she has to don't go to the toilet. And now that we are done building the house, we have to make the backyard. These will count. It's okay. We need a couple for the backyard. We need to put. This is the little thing she has to crawl through to get to the backyard. Let's make that. This backyard is gonna be a little bit too little. Chicken have rice, timer, and a wax. This is like a ball pit size for a minute. And these will be like ball pit stuff. This will be like ball pit. So these are ball pit stuff. There was a wrap, pop, another green. That's gonna be a little hard. And now let's put another ball pit. Let's put that one there. Let's put this one here. And you can see that there was a wall. And there's also bigger triangles I can put in. Let's put, oh, it's also making it. Look at the ball pit so far. She's gonna what? Put them there, stuff. Let's do all these. To be extra comfortable. Ooh, that's so much. Now let's let her go back in the house. Wow, this is awesome. I'm gonna jump. Wow, this is so nice. Let me sit. Wow, this is so nice. Now, ooh, this is awesome. This is the awesome foods. This is my food I bought for the house. Now let's put it in the refrigerator. Let me show you what the refrigerator is. This part's the refrigerator and this part is my bedroom. So it's like cool, and like when I'm sleeping and I really am hungry, I can just go there. It's gonna be so simple to put these part of my stuff in here. And now it's finished, yay! Now I'm gonna go sleep. Yay! It's time to wake up. Now I need to use the bathrooms. Now I'm gonna put it down first. Now I'm gonna go buy some stuff at the store, like makeup and stuff. This is my first day being at this house, and like my first time like having like stuff. That's why I'm buying stuff. Stuff to eat. Let's put this. Because that's some of the stuff to clean up. Bye. Like and subscribe. And if you're new here, hi. And did you know that these metal blocks I got very long since I was 3 or 4. And I got it on Christmas Day.